In this video, I'll show you how to restore your favorites in Microsoft Edge using a Bookmarks backup file. If you previously exported your bookmarks as an HTML file, make sure you know where that file is saved, such as in your Downloads, Documents, or Desktop folder. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once it loads, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the main menu. From there, click Favorites to open the Favorites panel. Inside the Favorites area, select Import Favorites. When the import window appears, open the drop-down menu under Import From and choose Favorites or Bookmarks HTML file. This option lets Edge import bookmarks from a saved backup file. Click Choose File, then browse to the folder where your HTML backup is stored. Select the file and click Open. Edge will immediately begin importing your bookmarks. Most imports complete within a few seconds. Once finished, your restored favorites usually appear inside a folder labeled Imported. If your backup included a bookmarks bar, those links may appear inside an imported folder under the Favorites bar. You can now open the Favorites panel to confirm everything has been restored. If you see duplicates, you can remove them manually. That's it. Open Edge, go to Favorites, choose Import Favorites, select your HTML backup file, and your bookmarks will be restored.